Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming a backup because you may restore settings later. Make sure iCloud or iTunes shows a current copy. Once done, plug the iPhone into power and connect to stable Wi-Fi so the process won't fail mid-update. Next, go to Settings, tap your name, then Find My, and switch off Find My iPhone. This prevents activation locks during a reset. Make sure you know your Apple ID password. You will need it to turn the feature off and proceed. You now navigate to Settings, then General, and open Transfer or Reset iPhone to access reset options. Choose Reset Network Settings if the update error is network-related, or reset all settings to clear preferences while keeping data. This often resolves update stalls. After selecting, confirm with your device passcode. Then, if requested, enter your Apple ID password to authorize. Once confirmed, the phone will restart. You finish by reopening Settings, General, then Software Update to reattempt the iOS installation. Download and install when available. If the update still fails, connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to update or reinstall iOS. This bypasses some on-device issues. Make sure to keep the device connected and powered during the process. If nothing works, consider restoring from your backup, but only do this as a last resort because it reinstates settings that may have caused the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.